In today's video, we're gonna fix the document language metadata primary subtag is unknown error in the PAC 2024 tool. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button already, go ahead and do that now, and let's jump right in. This error likes to pop up when we don't have the right language code selected in our PDF. This particular document I'm working in is written in the Irish language. We're going to select the menu button and then select document properties, and from here we need to go to the advanced tab. And originally I had put Irish in here thinking that was a recognized language, but we actually need to put the ISO short code, which in this case is GA. And then I'm going to select OK. We will save our file. Let's go ahead and test it one more time, and we now have a passing PDF UA report. That concludes today's very brief video on fixing a very specific error. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.